In this session, we will discuss the topic past simple. Learning objectives. In this session, we will discuss about past simple, structure of past simple, grammar rules, usage. That means various uses of past simple. Let's begin with past simple. What is past simple? Past simple is used to talk about actions that happened in the past. For example, the formula is subject plus V2 plus object. The difference between present simple and past simple is in present simple we use first form of the verb, which is called a present form. But here in past simple we use second form of the verb. I learnt English. This is affirmative sentence. I did not learn English. This is negative sentence. Did I learn English? This is interrogative sentence. Did I not learn English? This interrogative negative sentence. Usually we talk in four ways. I will give you one more example. I worked hard. I did not work hard. Did I work hard? Did I not work hard? In present simple, we use auxiliary verb or helping verb do or does. Does we use with third person singular he, she, it. But here we use auxiliary verb or helping verb did. And we use this did with all the subjects, whether first person singular or plural, or second person singular or plural, or third person singular or plural. And you see here the sentence, I did not learn English. Here learnt is not used because in simple past tense we cannot use two past verbs. Structure of past simple. From this structure you will come to know how we use different forms of verb in affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative sentences. I played, affirmative, negative, I did not play, interrogative, did I play, interrogative, negative, did I not play. We played, we did not play, did we play, did we not play. He, she, it played, he, she, it did not play, did he, she, it play, did he, she, it not play. You played, you did not play, did you play, did you not play. They played, they did not play, did they play, did they not play. Now, various grammar rules. Rule number 1, conjugating regular verbs. Add ed to the end of the regular verb and d to the end of a regular verb which ends with an e. So we have usually main two types of verbs. One is a regular verb, another is irregular verb. In a regular verb, you have the formula add ed to the first form of the verb in order to make that past, or d at the end of the verb which ends with e. For example, kick, kicked, like, liked, introduce, introduced, force, forced. Verbs that remain the same. Cut, 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 put, 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 hurt, hurt, hurt. Verbs that take different spelling pattern are called irregular verbs. For example, buy, bought, bought, think, thought, thought, write, wrote, written, eat, ate, eaten, ring, rang, rung, sing, sang, sung. These are all irregular verbs. There you have to only learn them. There is no rule for irregular verbs because they are different. When one syllable word end in vowel plus consonant, we double the final consonant and add ed. So remember this thing, single syllable. Syllable means one sound. So when there is a single syllable, one sound word in a vowel plus consonant, first there is vowel, after vowel there is a consonant, then you have to double the final consonant and add ed in order to make that past. For example, shop, shopped, top, topped. Rule does not apply to words ending in w, y or x. So the above rule will not apply with the words which end with w, y or x. For example, stove, stowed, bray, braid. So here we have not doubled the y. Fax, faxed. Again, we have not doubled x. Rule number 5 is the ed is pronounced t after the following voiceless consonants. There are two types of the consonants. One is voiced and another is voiceless. Voiced means you have to stress while you are orating them. And voiceless means you have to pronounce them in a slow voice. For example, p, stopped. It is not stopped, it's stopped, because at the end you should pronounce it as t. Similarly, k, it is picked, not picked. F, laughed, not laughed. Passed, it is passed, not passed. Similarly, sh sound, it is fished, not fished. And ch, which is watched, not watched. So remember, all these consonant sounds, when we add ed in order to make them past, pronounce them as t. Use number 1. Referring to an action that happened in the past. We went to the park yesterday evening. So these are the events which had happened in the past. I talked to her this morning. The baby cried last night. So all these sentences are the past which has already happened. Use number 2. Something that happened once in the past. I met my friend in 2022. We went to Kashmir for our holidays. Use number 3. Something that happened several times in the past. For example, when I was a boy, I walked a mile to school every day. My father dropped me at school every day till I entered high school. Use number 4. Something that was true for some time in the past. I lived abroad for 10 years. He enjoyed being a student. She played a lot of tennis when she was younger. Learning outcome. What we learned today: past simple, forms of past simple, grammar rules, usage, various uses of past simple. Thank you. Have a good learning.